Hello students, fourth exercise. Before 5 problems completed. Now sixth question. Ravi made a cuboid. The given measurements 12 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 3 centimeters. How many minimum number of cuboids needed to from a cube? Answer. Given that given measurements 12 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Volume cuboid. Want to prepare cuboid means volume of cuboid. Value means LBH, length into breadth into height. 12 into 8 into 3. Do product will get 288. Centimeters they given. Cube centimeters or centimeter cube value. So how much needed? 288 number of cuboids is needed to form a cube. Seventh question. Find the smallest prime number dividing the sum 3 power 11 plus 5 power 13. Given that or given number 3 power 11 plus 5 power 13. 3 power 11 plus 5 power 13. Here 3 power 11 take first. 3 power 11 we can write 3 power 5 into 3 power 5 into 3 power 1. So a power m into a power n, a power l, like a power m plus n plus l, like here bases are equal, power should be added. 5 plus 5 plus 1 will get 11. So like that write. Here units digit. Unit digit of product. Unit digit of product is 7. Unit digit of product is 7. Like that 5 power 13 also we can take. 5 power 5 into 5 power 5. 10. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 3 means 5 cube. Here also write unit digit of product is 5. Unit digit of product is 5. Like that sum of unit digits. Sum of unit digits equal to 7 plus 5. We'll get 12. Means what number should 12 is least. Least prime number. Least prime number which divides is 3 power 11 plus 5 power 13. So what number? 12. Here 12 means units digit only 2. Here no need to take here double digit. Number is 2. We want only units place. Here 12 answer. Here units place what number? 2. Or 2 power numbers means 2 power 0 or 2. 2 is correct number. Fifth exercise. Find the cube root of following numbers by prime factorization method. First one 343. See, these are all answers. 343. So with the 7 table here, 7 4s, 7 9s, 63, 7 7s, 49. So here this is prime factorization method. In that LCM use all prime numbers. Why? Because this is prime factorization method. Means cube root of 343 equal to cube root of 7 cube. 7 3 times. 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube. Here cube root get cancelled. Answer 7. Next, second one. 729. 729. In that, LCM use all prime numbers. Prime factorization method. Here 9 is there, units digit. 3 table take. 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 3s. Again 3 8s, 3 1s. 3 2s, 3 7s. 3 9s, 3 3s. Here 3 times, again 3 times, means 2 pairs. 3 into 3 into 3, cube of number this is, means 3 times product. These 3 times means 3 3s 9, 9 3s 27. Here cube of 729 equal to, here 3 cube number means 2 times 2 pairs, 3 pairs. 3 into 3 whole cube 3 times. This is cube of number. Here cube root get cancelled. 3 into 3 we can write 9. Here 2 pairs, 3 pairs having, means cube of number. 3 into 3 whole cube. Cube root get cancelled. Remaining 3 into 3. We can write 9. Means 9 cube 729. 9 cube is 729. 1331. Third question. 11 table take here. 11 1 2 1. Again 11 11s. 11 3 times. Means cube of number this one. 11 into 11 into 11. We can write cube root of 1331 equal to 11 whole cube. 11 3 times will be 11 whole cube root of. Now cube root get cancelled. 11 means 11 cube equal to 1331. Fourth question. 2744. Do LCM. In that LCM use all prime numbers. Why? Because this is prime factorization method. 2 table, 2 1s, 2 3s, 2 7s, 2 2s. Again 2 table, 2 6, 2 8s, 2 6. 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 3s. Again 7 table here, 7 4s, 9s, 7 7s. Here 2 3 times, 7 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 into 7 into 7. Means cube root of 2744 equal to 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Here cube of number. That's why 3 times take 1 pair, whole cube. Cube root of 2 into 7 whole cube. Cube root get cancelled. 2 into 7, 2 7s, 14. Means 14 cube 2744. 14 into 14 into 14 we can write 2744. Cube of number. Second Roman. Find the cube root of following numbers through estimation. 5 to 12. First one 5 to 12. Given number 5 to 12. First group. This is estimating method. First group equal to 5 to 12. And in 5 to 12 ends with 2. Ends with 2. Means once digit ends with 2. Then cube root of ends with cube of number. 2 ends with, means cube root of 2 means 2 into 2 into 2. We can write 8. How it is understand here? Ends with 2. Cube root of 2 means once digit here 2 is there. 2 cube what answer? 8. means 2 into 2 into 2. Like that ends with 8, cube of number. So the units digit or units place of the cube root is 8 or equal to 8. Now second group observe. Now second group means we can divide this 5 to 12. First group 1 digit, after remaining second group is 0, equal to 0. Second group is 0. 0 cube less than 1 less than 2 cube. So 2 cube we can get 8, like that. 1 and 0 cube less than 1 less than 2 cube, that between number. So least number equal to 0. So our least number means 2 cube 8, after what number should be here? Tens digit. So here tens digit means 2 digit of number of cube root of a number equal to 0. This number is 0, means cube root of 5 to 12 equal to 0.8. This is not exactly cube root value, approximately 0.8 nothing but 8. 8 is approximately value.